Hi, my name is Tamra. I'm from Topeka, Kansas. I have worked in healthcare for the last 18 years as an occupational therapist. But unfortunately for me, during those same 18 years, my own health was deteriorating because I was suffering from a number of autoimmune and inflammatory conditions. I have Crohn's disease, lupus, Raynaud's disease, Sjogren's disease, interstitial cystitis. I was also dealing with migraines and episodes of costochondritis. I was not in a good place. But 11 months ago, a friend introduced me to Pure, and since I started taking Pure's products, and I've completed both the 7-day and the 28-day detox programs in the last year, and during that time, my fatigue level, my joint stiffness, my gut function, and above all else, my pain has improved so much so that I've been able to come off of 13 medications in the last year. I also started cutting back the dose and weaning off 2 other medications recently, and I made it through the entire last calendar year with no emergency room trips and no hospitalizations, which is something that hadn't happened for me in a very long time. To top it all up, I lost 30 pounds. So Pure's definitely one of the best decisions that I've ever made for my health, and I encourage everybody to take a look at it because information is free and your health is priceless.